Look at that. Watch me put this bad baby together. Please watch video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is going to be epic, and I am going to mass produce this body kit. Be the first ones to be a part of this build. It's going to be a nasty build. I'm telling you. Don't overlook it. Share it, like it. Let's blow this build up. The first 100 people that are a part of this build, I will show some love to. The first 10 people that really can get it out, I'm going to do a drawing, and I'm going to make this freaking body kit. I'm going to 3D print it. I'm going to scan it, and I'm going to make it for not only Audi A5s, Audi A4s, A6s, A7s. Check it out, guys. What you think so far? All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this far with the body kit and the steps that I'm taking to create it. I can even open the door. It's going to be a functional body kit that you guys can actually detach from your vehicle. Look at that. Look at those angles, guys. I'm not even done. As you can see, I'm creating a curvature on the vent. I ended up sloping this one in the angle that way so it can kind of be seamless. Guys, I don't got a team. It's me. I work full time, and I'm doing this for you guys. So I really want this build to truly blow up. So all I'm asking from you as my subscribers and the people watching this for the first time, be the first on the bandwagon to see this epic build. The first 10 subscribers who say, hey, I love this build, I will create this kit and mass produce it, and I will give away some kits. If you like this kind of thing, like I said, it's not for everyone's cup of tea. Just like a RWB or Liberty Walk is super aggressive, but I love this car and I want to take it to the next level. So as you can see right here, I have the front already contouring into the bumper lip. So as you can see, this is gonna be one even color, right? So it's really gonna appear wide because it's gonna be one even color, unless I should make it a different color. As you can see, look at this angle right here. This might be my screensaver right here, guys. I think this just might be my screensaver right here. Guys, I think this is gonna be my screensaver right here. I'm gonna make this one. So guys, as you can see on that front bumper lip part, this is what I'm talking about. If you look at this side, and guys, I love this part. You guys saw me do this kit. I love this. As you see, this is the front bumper lip, and this is what I'm talking about, how that one's like that, and I merged it. Guys, look, this looks awesome. This is a traditional wide body kit. It has a stance. I mean, my car turns heads. But guys, when you come over here and you start to see the vision I have for over here, right? And you look at this, you can't tell me you don't see somewhat of a supercar. If you saw this coming down the street, you'd be like, what in the hell is that? And I'm not even done with the back. But yeah, guys, hope you like this video. So every video, I'm gonna start off with what I did, because I know a lot of people are impatient and they just want to see the results. And then I'm just gonna walk you through how I did it in the video, step by step, if you want to do something like this. But I ask, if you do support this channel, that you watch it all the way through. You like, share, and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Remember, I want people to be a part of this build. So this is blood, sweat, and tears. I'm super excited to do this. If you guys don't like, share, and subscribe, I'm gonna put this on the front of my car. No, I'm just joking, guys. That's from my old Tesla. So, and yeah, imagine how it's gonna look with these Toyo proxies on there as well, guys. Also, this is another diffuser I made before I broke that. So what I'm gonna do with this diffuser, and this is gonna go on the RS5, is this is a Tesla diffuser. This is my old Tesla diffuser, right? So I'm gonna somehow merge this onto that so I can put it on the RS5, right? So yeah, guys, hope you like it. Here's my old fenders right here, guys, in case you're wondering. Legit fenders. Giving those away. Giving those away. I got 3 sets, guys. I'm giving them away. Whoever shows the most love to this video will get them. This is the front fenders, as you can see, legit fenders. My subscribers signed this when I drive. All right, guys, this is part 3. Part 3, I know you guys remember that piece. I went ahead and decided to take off the front fender. So as you can see, front fender, I'm trying to get this to focus. Okay, front fender is now gone, right? It's right there. So right now what I'm going to do is make a lining for the front to where I can put the arch on. So I'm gonna come over here, and this is gonna be my lining. So I'm just taping it up and I'm gonna put this around the wheel. And then I'm gonna just kind of make the fender flare from this so I can kind of have where I want it to come out of. Cool. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. Don't mind those, that's from the, so you see I got this liner that I made that I'm gonna create the arch from on the kit. So this is just my base liner. You know, last time on my video I did foam, but I'm gonna try some wood dowels with this one to see how that works. I'm gonna put a piece in the middle, kind of measured how far this would be. As you can see, boom. So as you can see, I'm gonna start to kind of use that to create my flare, right? So that's gonna create my flare. And I'm gonna use wood dowels because, you know, right now, right in the middle, it's gonna, you know, be even and symmetrical, or rather even, but I'm gonna need those dowels to hit angles. So yeah, so FYI, this should be a good screensaver too. I don't know, I was thinking about screensavers to get you guys to watch the videos, I don't know. Yeah, cool. As you guys can see, I'm making my fender. I put some rods on it just to kind of give myself a place, and I'm putting tape over it. I'm going to go for a rather wild and eccentric look. As you can see, I'm creating the fender right now. Just to let you guys see, I'm going to have some raw tire right there. Probably going to bring something up right there from the splitter. Yeah, guys, so currently making the fender. Right here, as you can see, I'm putting those rods on there to kind of give it the shape and the curvature. Okay guys, I'm at the stage where I'm just trying to figure out what to do. As you can see, I kind of cut this bottom part right here, and then I'm thinking about, you see how I kind of have that fender flare, or rather that part coming off at the top. I'm thinking about doing something like this, where, as you can see on this piece, this is just my template. Kind of cut that to where it's gonna kind of come like that. I think that might look pretty cool. So I'm gonna try that out really fast, just to kind of give some, kind of mimic the back a little bit. All right guys, as you can see, this is what I'm looking like. I'm just kind of putting the pieces together just to make sure that I have what I'm looking for. So this is gonna be the side view so far. I'm trying to get the curvature to match the back. As you can see, I'm gonna cut that fender liner that I made, and it's gonna be kind of open tire. So I think that's gonna be a cool little look for it. As you can see from the side, it's gonna be open tire. So yeah, getting it together, guys. Okay guys, so I kind of got this part where I want it to be. But I'm gonna do something with the bumper. So I'm kind of making a liner for the front bumper because I'm gonna flare out the front. So I'm kind of creating these, like, they're not canards. You're gonna see once I'm done, it's gonna come down like this, and it's gonna come this way and just kind of blend into the car that way. You guys will see it, but yeah, this is just kind of showing how I'm creating, I guess you can say, the arches to the car. Cool. All right guys, just so you can see, doing the body kit, I'm doing the curvatures, it's coming along pretty good. Setting it up, as you can see, I'm just kind of making different pieces, right? And from the different pieces, then I'm just kind of cutting it off and making it pretty solid. As you can see, I was gonna do foam, But before I do foam, I'm just trying out the box method first. Pretty cool, guys. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. Okay, guys, so I want to merge this bottom lip part, and I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about changing this part right here that slopes down to more of a boxy look. I don't know. I'm kind of just playing with it right now. But like I said, I want to, on this part, I'm going to extend that lip to kind of merge with the car because it's going to be the same color as the car. I'm making this part so it's going to kind of sit like this. And I'm just gonna kind of merge it so it can just go all the way across. All right, as you guys can see, I've been really working on this kit. I don't know if you guys noticed, but what I did from this fender part, this gill or the vent, into this, I kind of like, in a certain extent, made it kind of merge inwards to the fender. So as you can see, it kind of like goes this way, like in a, let me do it to where you can see like in an angle that way. And it just kind of follows through and merges right there. So you see I got that open tire right there, right? Now, on this part, as you can see, looking pretty solid. Let me kind of zoom out a little bit so you can see. So that's where you can see where it kind of contours from there all the way to there, right? Kind of put some more tape touching it up a little bit. And what I'm doing right here, as you can see, I'm just kind of, everything is going to be the same color when I'm done too. So it's gonna be one even piece, just FYI. So it's gonna really appear to be wide when it's all one even color. Right now, you know, you kind of have the vision, right? Guys, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a beast build. Telling you. All right. So, if you come to the front, look at that, guys. Like, I'm merging it as one piece, and I extended it to where it can accommodate the body kit, right? So, trying to give you guys a better look at the front. So you see what I'm saying? I'm merging it. I'm just completely contouring it. Gonna merge it to where it's gonna merge in with the body kit, right? So that way I have the wider appearance and get everything that I need. So yeah, guys, this is what we're looking like so far. What do you guys think? All right, guys, here we go. The body kit is coming along. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Watch me put this bad baby together. Please watch video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is going to be, and I am going to mass produce this body kit. Be the first ones to be a part of this build. It's going to be a nasty build. I'm telling you. Don't overlook it. Share it, like it. Let's blow this build up. The first 100 people that are a part of this build, I will show some love to. The first 10 people that really can get it out, I'm going to do a drawing, and I'm going to make this freaking body kit. I'm going to 3D print it. I'm going to scan it, and I'm going to make it for not only Audi A5s, Audi A4s, A6s, A7s. Check it out, guys.